Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is your girl is getting a makeover. Yes, your favorite nail tech is getting a makeover. Well, not a full makeover, but a hair makeover. I woke up like this. Yes. I woke up like this. Yeah. Anyway, I'm getting a makeover. I'm pretty excited about it. I have a few clients and then I'll be off to the beauty shop. See you in a little while. Okay guys, I am finished my 3 clients for the day. I am in my car and I am headed to the hairdresser. It's raining outside. Who wants to go get their hair done while it's raining? Me. I could not leave out the house looking a hot mess. So I did put a beanie on. And it's a little chilly out, so the beanie fits great. I mean, it's not that cold for it, but hey, it goes. I'm so excited and I cannot wait to get this hair off. Take a good look at it. Look at it now. It might be the last time you... Oh my God. I know I don't know how to sing, but anyways, yeah. See you in a little while.
Popeyes, give me one moment, please.
Okay. It took so long to take my order and even longer to bring my food out. They asked me to pull up and I thought they had forgot about me. It was raining because I wanted to go in there and say, is my food ready? But I didn't. I waited patiently in my car.
Sorry for your wait. What can I get for you?
Yes, I need to get a spicy chicken sandwich.
You want the combo or just a sandwich?
Just a sandwich. And I need a regular side of Cajun rice, egg gravy.
Will that be all, ma'am?
Yes, that's it.
About $9.54. You can drive around.
Okay, thank you. What? I have to eat. I have to make a quick pick stop. I mean, I had time to grab something to eat before I go. I ain't eat all day. I've been working. I don't like to go nowhere hungry because maybe I get impatient. So, like I say, when you come get your nails done, if you know you want something that take a long time, pack a snack. So I pack a snack. You think I'm playing? Well, I ordered my food and I got my snack in my purse. Okay? Thank you. Here in Louisiana, we celebrate Mardi Gras, baby. It's that time of the year. As I was traveling along to my appointment, I noticed the crews celebrating. What they do is they get up early in the morning and they ride the party buses, hopping from club to club, just enjoying, preparing for their ride later that night. They noticed me recording, so he like, hey. And this is another bus. I guess the people in the club drinking and doing whatever. And I guess they missed the bus and they trying to catch up with them. And I don't know what he doing. But that's another one that was further up the road. This is always a good time. And they noticed me recording, so look at them waving. And look at this next party bus. Baby, they got this bus rocking. I was glad I was able to capture this because this is what we do for Mardi Gras time. It's a party all day. And they spotted me recording as well. But I was trying to drive and not hit that bus. So I ain't got a good... Here I go. Hey. How did I miss them? Okay, guys. I have a ride to get my hair done. So, yeah. And this is my girl, Amber, the head turner. She have an online store. I will put her link in the description. She makes wigs, sell different bundles and all that hair care products, baby. Look her up. She slays. And we are preparing for the big shop in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. Yes, just like that. It's coming off. You see me running my mouth? We be talking it's like catch up time when we link up for real. I know y'all probably saying, baby, what? It ain't looking too good right now. Just wait on it. You just wait on it. OMG, you guys, look at all the hair that is gone. Gone, gone. I don't remember what I was saying, but she mixing up my color right now. Yes, who don't love a good wash? Baby Jason was doing his thing, massaging this hair, this scalp, this skull, whatever the proper terminology is. He did his thing. He didn't want to be on camera, but I sure got him. I got him. Just wait for it. I'm already so happy to see my color. The last time I had was cut in color like this was 2 years ago, so it's been a long time coming. Jason, I told y'all I was gonna get Jason, but I'm sitting under this dryer. Look at my neck. I can't believe I kept this part on. Like a little circular neck, but it's all good. Baby, this dryer is cooking the pit. Baby, this dryer is hot. Hot. And I'm not playing. I mean this on everything. I mean this on everything. Baby, yes. And like I knew it was well worth the wait. Baby, my girl slayed my head like she always do. It was never a disappointment. This is actually the next day. I slept, worked all day, and I went run to the store. And then I was like, oh, I still got to record the ending. And I was like, But anyway, do y'all like my new hairstyle, my new hair makeover? I am loving it. I brought you all along with me. I did not record the entire scenery, of course. And my hairstylist, she's been cutting in my hair, styling my hair in this kind of style, these kind of styles. Not when I get the braids and stuff like that. Somebody else do that. But since we was in junior high school when she started off in the kitchen. So she moved to Houston with the Mardi Gras season. She's been coming down every weekend, you know, for to get us all taken care of. But thank God we have good conversation because baby, what? Anywho, y'all seen what I said one eternity later. But yes. So let me know in the comment section how you like my new makeover. Thank you all for my 1,600 subscribers. A reminder, every Monday and Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have my premiere. Make sure your notifications turn on. By the way, if you're not subscribed, I mean, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Membership badges are now available. They are $2.99 a month. And by becoming a member, you can help my channel, right? So as an incentive, I will be hosting a monthly raffle for all my badge holders, along with a shout out. The shout out will vary from month to month, along with the prizes varying from month to month. Okay? If you missed my shout out video the other day, go ahead and check it out. It's going to be posted at the end of this video. Okay? It's only like 2-3 minutes long. I'm preparing for my next question and answer video. If you have any questions that you would like to ask Prescription Nails, as long as it's within guidelines, I'll provide an answer for you. So drop those questions in the comment section below if you have any questions for the next question and answer. You guys, we are on the road to 2K and I am so excited. Anyways, this is my new do. I hope you like it because I do. That's all I have for you guys today. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.